If you embed videos in PowerPoint, I'm sure you have faced this problem. The video is a long video and I don't always want to run it from beginning to end. Often, I want to go to a specific topic, which let's say starts here. And I don't remember exactly at what point the topic starts. So I have to keep playing, do forward, rewind, like that. That sounds very unprofessional. So here is the solution. Go to the desired place while in edit, go to the playback tab and say add bookmark. So you'll see a small little circle here. Do that for all the specific points you want. In this case, I have 2 bookmarks. Now, how do you navigate the bookmarks? Well, there is a shortcut Alt End and Alt Home, but unfortunately, this shortcut works when you're in edit mode. When you're running the presentation, when mouse goes on top of the video, you will see the bookmarks and you can directly jump to that spot. Now notice what has happened. I am trying to go to that spot, but actually the video is not doing anything because it's in paused mode. You just have to start playing once and then pause it again and then click on any bookmark. That way you jump to the desired place very quickly. Now in some cases you want a button here. So when I click on this button, it should actually jump to this bookmark which shows how to follow. Now in order to do this, we have to use animation. Now let's see what happens by default. Every video can be played back either in click sequence or automatically. So this animation decides whether this video is going to run on click or with previous or after previous. That's the default play of the video. Now what I want is when I click on this button, the video should jump to this location and pause there. So I need 2 kinds of animation. So the first kind of animation is to go there. That's called seek. So I manually go to the first bookmark, go to animation. I want to add the seek animation. But if I do that right now, this will overwrite existing animation. So go to add animation. Now click on seek. Seek will start playing. I don't want that. So I want to add one more pause animation. And now both these animations I want to be triggered or invoked when I click on this button. So while both of them are selected, I choose trigger and say on click of rectangle 2. Now both of them come here under rectangle 2 trigger. One more last step is it should seek and pause immediately. So there shouldn't be an extra mouse click. So it says start with previous. So now let's see this in action. Now the video is running. I click on the follow button and notice it jumps exactly to the desired spot. Let's see another example where I have gone beyond the desired place and now I click on the follow button and still comes exactly where I need. But that's a more elegant and professional way of navigating your video in an informed manner. So try this out. Let me know if it works for you. See you next time. Thank you.